Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prachi Kulkarni, fertility specialist, 49 Fertility Center, Banjara Hills. Today we'll talk about the causes of male factor infertility. So male factor infertility is very common nowadays. When we see patients in the OPD, most of the times they come up with some sexual problems or sometimes problems related to the sperm parameters, low sperm count or very low sperm motility or infections in the semen. So now let us see the causes for male factor infertility. So to understand it easily, let us divide it into pre-testicular cause, testicular cause and post-testicular cause. So in pre-testicular cause, there are many conditions which can cause low sperm count or any issues related to the sexual dysfunctions. So these can be medical disorders like diabetes, thyroid disorder, high prolactin levels, high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels. All these can affect your sexual function and even the sperm parameter. Then coming to the addictions like drinking alcohol, smoking or drug abuse. These things also can affect the sperm count, motility and morphology. This can also lead to sexual dysfunctions like erectile dysfunction or anejaculation. So all these issues can be related to these addictions. Then other factors can be some surgical history like hernia repair surgery or hydrocele surgery, which might have caused some damage to the nerves or other organs which are related to the male infertility. Then the other causes can be any injury to the spine which can cause either retrograde ejaculation or anejaculation or erectile dysfunction. Even certain medications can cause issues related to the erection. So this is very important, that is pre-testicular causes. So how do we rule out pre-testicular causes? Pre-testicular causes on history, examination and any medication history. So testicular causes can be any trauma to the testes, any injury to the testes, tumor of the testes or what we call as spermatogenic failure or primary gonadal failure, which leads to cessation of the sperm production in the testes. Now coming to the post-testicular causes. Post-testicular causes can be related to obstruction to the flow of the semen or infections. So any infections in the region next to the testes like epididymoorchitis can cause block into the passage of the semen. It can also be related to the congenitally absent vas deferens or any block in any outflow tract for the semen from the testes to the urethra. So these causes can also lead to the male factor infertility. In pre-testicular causes, nowadays most important causes are related to the lifestyle. Sedentary lifestyle, sitting for long hours, keeping laptops on your thighs, smoking cigarettes, drinking alcohol, not having any exercise or sleeping very late in the night, all can disturb your hormones and disturb the semen production, including the sperm count, sperm motility and sperm morphology. So these are the causes of male factor infertility. Then there are certain causes which are not very common, but we also have to look into it. Like azoospermia, which is zero sperm count, can be related to some genetic diseases. So we have to rule out genetic diseases as a cause for male factor infertility in some patients who have less than 5 million sperm count or zero sperm count. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.